Hi friends, this is Nagesha. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. In this tutorial, I will show how to add the control panel items from the control panel in Windows 7 using group policy. Here, come to start, open control panel and please click on category and select large icons. Here we got complete list of control panel items. To add the items, open run command by pressing Windows R keys on the keyboard and please type gpedit.msc. In local group policy editor, come to user configuration, expand administrative templates, select control panel. In the right panel you will get different settings. Select and double click on hide specified control panel items. This setting removes control panel items from the control panel window and the start menu. Please select enabled. In options, select the items to hide in control panel by clicking on show. Here we have to enter the name of the item in the value name. For this tutorial, I want to hide administrative tools, programs and features, Windows Firewall and system. Minimize this and please type administrative tools and Windows Firewall. System, programs and features. After entering the names of each item, click on OK, apply, OK. This setting affects the start menu and control panel window, as well as other ways to access control panel items such as shortcuts in help and support or command, lines that use control.exe. Close the control panel. Again, open control panel. Here we have successfully added the control panel items. Close the control panel. To enable the items, again come to the group policy editor and please double click on hide specified control items. Please select not configured, apply, OK. Again, open control panel. Here we will get all the control panel items, administrative tools, programs and features, Windows Firewall and system. This setting will be applicable to all the local users within that system. Like this, we can hide the control panel items from the control panel in Windows 7 using group policy. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends, and please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest updated videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, have a nice day.